Today's episode, Understanding Dividend Yield. What exactly is dividend yield? Put simply, dividend yield is a math equation that shows how much a company pays out in dividends relative to their stock price. This number is always expressed as a percentage. Now look, we get it. To the beginner investor, some financial equations can be scary, but we promise this one is relatively simple. Let's have a look. Dividend yield is equal to annual dividend divided by share price. If you're still confused, don't worry. Here's a quick example. Let's say the Carrot app is publicly traded on the New York Stock Exchange, and one share costs $20.25. Carrot also pays an annual dividend of $2.50. Using the formula from before, you can see that the dividend yield of the Carrot app stock is 12.34%. It's really that simple to calculate the dividend yield of any company. Now, this is all great and all, but let's be very clear. Dividend yield should not be your primary tool for choosing investments. Oftentimes, new investors attempt to maximize their dividend investments by choosing companies that have very high dividend yields. This can often cause problems as companies that don't have solid fundamentals tend to cut their dividends or greatly reduce them when they encounter business hardships. Chasing high yields is not an optimal investing strategy. Investors should look for companies that have a reputable history of paying and increasing their annual dividends. As a quick rule of thumb, investors should look to dividend aristocrats for the safest dividend bets. That's all for today's video, folks. Want to learn more? Head over to the Carrot.app for articles, SWOT analyses, and the best dividend tracking tech on the internet. Don't forget to like, comment any idea for future videos, and subscribe. Make sure to hit that bell so you never miss any of our financial content. Oh yeah, eat your carrots.